What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is a product review on the Ferocious Beard Co. Stay tuned. First, we're going to talk about the company. The company is located in Fort Worth, Texas. It was founded by a man by the name of Nate Powell and his wife Barber. They decided to start the company because Nate had a curiosity or had this desire to create his own beard oils and balms, and that's how Ferocious pretty much was discovered. And Ferocious has been in business for over a year now. They just celebrated their anniversary, I believe, last week. So kudos to that, and that's how the company was started. The scent I got from Ferocious was the old-time barbershop scent, as you can see on the back of the balm and on the oil. I also received a pine tar soap. It was the cedarwood and lavender scent, I believe, or it is. And I would go get that, but it's in the shower. So, and I've already used pretty much both of the bars already, so yeah. But that's the scent that I got from Ferocious. Now we're gonna go over the ingredients. The ingredients for the balm is shea butter, grapeseed oil, apricot oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, beeswax, lanolin, and fragrance oil. And also, it's not on here the ingredients, which kind of would be an issue for somebody who's starting to grow their beard. But I wrote down the ingredients. I checked on his website. And the ingredients are, for the oil, grapeseed oil, apricot oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and fragrance oil. And that's pretty much it on his oil. Now we're gonna go over feel and beard. First the oil. And I have to say the consistency kind of, it's not super thick, but it's a medium thick oil. Working into the beard will soften your beard. Feels great in beard, smells great. But it's not super strong. Like it says on the scent profile, it's strong, but it's not super strong. Which, I mean, I don't want it to be strong that people can smell me a mile away. It's a real subtle scent to me. I like it. It's spot on with the barbershop scent because it smells like the talcum powder, the cologne, and the spray they use after you get done with your cut. So I love that. I love the scent, and it smells great. I'm gonna try on the balm. Balm is not that hard to get out, as you can see, and it's a white consistency. And it's gonna work it into the beard, emulsify it, and it smells just like how a barbershop scent should smell like. Cause and whatever you got left, just work it on to you. You got ash your elbows like I do. That's what I use it for. And that's how it feels great in beard. Soft, will soften your beard, and it smells great. And that's the feel in beard. Now we're gonna go over his prices. His prices range. You can get a sample set for $5, or you could get the oil for $18.50, which is kind of borderline. It's not past my price threshold. Anything over $20 is like kind of steep for me. And his balm runs for $12.99. You can also get the bundle. He's running a sale right now. I believe it's $28.95 for his oil and balm combo. You can check on his website. He also has discounts as well. 25% off for anybody who's a veteran or active service member. And also 15% off for just people, you know, buying from his site. The discount code is Ferocious. And also he's running another discount as well, 10% off because of breast cancer awareness. This month is October, is breast cancer awareness. So 10% off of that, and the proceeds, I believe, goes to breast cancer research. So, hey, prices, I ranked that 4 out of 5. So, yeah, I mean, check out his company, and he's got some good prices, and he's got oils for, I mean, he got a lot of oils. So now we're gonna go over pros and cons of the company. Pros, he has over 42 scents that you can choose from and 29 balm scents that you can choose from. So you can choose from 42 scented oils and 29 scented balms. So, I mean, I'm quite sure he has something to satisfy every scent profile. Con, on the bottle, he did not have the ingredients of what he put into the oil. That's not a big thing for me, but for somebody starting out on their beard journey, they might want to know what they're putting on their face. So, but that's kind of really minor, but to me, it's not a big deal. But that's the only con I have about his product. Pro, it feels great in beard, does what it's supposed to do in terms of oil and balm. So, yeah, that's that. Also, I forgot to mention, you can get your own custom oil made and balm. You can get it made how you want it. On the oil, you can get it as thick as you want and whatever scent you want. Also with the balm, you can get the balm made the way you want it and the scent that you want. And also, I forgot to mention on how much the ounce was on the oil, 1 ounce, and this is a 2 ounce balm. And this, like I said, this is the old time barbershop scent, and it smells just like that. And just wanted to mention that you can get your own custom made oil and balm. So that's something you might want to consider if you're thinking about buying from Ferocious. That I don't really know that many companies that do that make their own like custom oil for that particular person to their preference. Like some people like thicker oils, and some people like, they're, really light oils. So hey, that's something you might want to consider from buying from Ferocious. But just wanted to mention that. Would I rebuy from Ferocious Beard Co? First off, I didn't buy it. It was sent to me to do a review on. He told me to be honest. I'm going to be honest. Yes, I would rebuy from Ferocious Beard Co because he has 42 different scents of oil and 29 different scents of balm. And he has something to satisfy pretty much anybody's scent profile. He also has great discounts going on for people in the military, and just a great overall discount with the 15% off. But the discount for people in the military is 25% off if you're active duty or a veteran. And also he has another discount, 10% off for breast cancer awareness, because October is breast cancer awareness month. And also he lowered the prices of his oil and balm combinations. They were $36.95, I believe. Now they're $28.95, so you can't pass that. Plus, he has a great starter kit for anybody, starting to grow their beard. Only $50. If you use that discount, quite sure it's like maybe around $42, maybe. I'm not sure the math on that. But yeah, I would rebuy. And with that, I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. I hope you found this video informative. And if y'all lasted this long for this video, thank you. And please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Temporary layoffs, good times, good times.